What do we know, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about how to load a grease gun. It's a really simple thing and a thing that a lot of people should know how to do, but it's something that most people don't know how to do, and mainly because they're not ever shown. If you just run your own vehicles, things like that, chances are you don't grease anything. Probably should, but you don't. But you're going to get into farm equipment, semis, things like that, lawnmowers and stuff. It's good to know how to grease things and how to fill one of these. But the first thing that we do, and this is a brand new grease gun that I just got, but you pull this rod right here all the way out. Pull that rod all the way out. Then you go ahead and unscrew the canister. And there you go. After you get the canister unscrewed, you're going to take your can of grease. See, one end has a pop top, the other end has plastic. Pull the plastic end off. Take that open end, stick it all the way down to the bottom. Then you can go ahead, pop your top. Once we get that top popped, go ahead and take it, screw it back into the head. Now that you got it tied in there, you can go ahead, push that button in, push your handle all the way down. Now if you're not able to get your handle all the way down, you could have a couple of things at play. One, you could be binding up on your grease cartridge. Two, it could just be tough to push down. You got to push that button in. Things are binding up. Or three, you got an airlock in there. Now the worst thing with the grease gun is priming it. If you already got a grease gun that you've been using, chances are it's already pretty primed. You got grease in the hose, and it'll self-prime when you squeeze this trigger enough. But that's not always the case. If that isn't the case, on here, my bleeder valve is just this button. On older grease guns, they got a twist valve. You twist it open, close it back up. On your electric grease guns like we have, that's the same thing. You open the valve, you close it. Lets that air out. But this one, I can feel I got pressure on the handle. And you can see I'm getting grease out of there. So that's good. So we'll use this for a little bit. Chances are I will have to push that button and prime that, or let some air out of there so it'll prime. But for now, this is working good. And in case you're wondering, this is one of those fancy little clip deals. I put it on the grease zerk, close that, and it'll hold it on there so I don't have to keep pushing it. And it is, I'll see if you can see that. Let's say Flexzilla. Just got it yesterday, so I'm hoping it'll work. But pretty simple, pretty easy. That's how you fill a grease gun.